What's up, y'all? Welcome to Good Time. Yeah, let's party with locals at a free concert. A free concert event. It's at a temple, like a temple slash palace called Sanam Luang. Sanam Luang? Luang? Not sure if I'm 100% right on that, but anyways, we go there via MRT. Get off at Sanam Chai. Yeah, you gotta love Thailand. People move slow, join movement, slide in their feet, no hurry. But you know what? This place is 100% clean and 100% safe. So how about that part? Okay, so once you get there, you could just walk straight or follow the people. It's really a beautiful walk with some ancient Thai buildings, from like past kings and temples, and then they got some old buildings. Which is, got some French influence, which might have been from a war that happened some 100-odd years ago, mixed with the modern influence. It's really something to see. This part of Bangkok definitely got its own vibe. In general, large majority, like extremely high majority speaking, Thai people are very friendly, super helpful. That's not like an exaggeration at all. Like if you stop and ask someone for help, you probably just want to talk because you could just always use the internet. But no, seriously, if you were to ask someone for help, like they're gonna usually take the time to stop and answer. And if they don't, it's probably because they don't speak English. And if that's the case, most of them are still gonna be smiling and waving hi, or even ask another person to get involved to get you the answer you're looking for. They like that for real. It's definitely a nice welcoming vibe amongst the people. And yeah, they added the vendors and activities. Like they got a haunted house, but that was cute. Selling, silks and authentic Thai products. Some sort of, water boxing. I never really seen that before, but that looked fun. Something for the kids. My son was trying to do that, but he was. And they had that next to some like amateur Muay Thai. The drone show. Yo, this was amazing. Definitely like some futuristic kind of stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, the concept of the drone performance tonight is Gardens of Siam. หลวงนะครับทุกท่านจะได้ร่วมเฉลิมฉลองประเพณีสุดยิ่งใหญ่ไปพร้อมกันนี่คือมหาสงกรานต์ Border Festival 2025 ครับ Ladies and gentlemen, the logo as you can see from the sky is the name of the event Maha Songkran Border Festival 2025, a grand celebration of the traditional Thai New Year.
และสำหรับชุดต่อไปคือพญานาคเลื้อยพ่นน้ำเรื่องราวศรัทธาที่อยู่ในจิตวิญญาณของชาวไทยมาช้านานพญานาคผู้พิทักษ์แห่งสายน้ำเปรียบเสมือนสัญลักษณ์แห่งความอุดมสมบูรณ์ความมั่งคั่งความเชื่อมเกี่ยวกับพญานาคผ่านศิลปะสถาปัตยกรรมประเพณีที่สืบทอดคู่กับคนไทยมาช้านานดังคำกล่าวที่ว่ามีพญานาคจึงมีสายน้ำมีสายน้ำจึงมีชีวิต And as you can see under the sky is the Phaya Naka. We believe that the Nagas is the guardians of water. The Nagas represent the prosperity and the happiness of Thailand.
Yak, which is a giant monster, or that could have been Monkey King, in the tuk-tuk, which is a southern eastern kind of transportation. Another thing you see all over the city. So that was really cool. The Birdman creature, which is one of their like official seals or something like that. Another symbolism, like a magic sign for like good luck and health. You'll see that like on the top of taxis in front of buildings and stuff. Man, this place is beautiful, absolutely fun to walk around. The first 2 days I went, it wasn't too crowded. I mean, if you want to walk into the concert areas, it definitely was. But, my son was on another mission, and I was playing backup to his battles. With 2 book bags full of water as ammo for him. Yeah, he was set. He was in a whole nother world. I was there with him. It was a lot of fun. We went 2 days straight. That's how much fun it was. Which were actually before Songkran. Because Songkran is on the 13th and 16th. We were there on the 11th and 12th. And I assume they do this yearly because I went to one of them one of the days last year. So even if you see this a little late, I can assume it'll be something like this, maybe even a little better next year. Yo, the food. Woo! It meant something to me, y'all. The prices were like, it'd be rude not to. The smells were like, cook's been doing this for quite some time. You could just tell the vibe was right. The prices and the smells, there was no way to say no. Not to all of it. Some 4,000 years of history. There's definitely a variety of food here in Thailand. So they represent at this market for sure. Thailand's known for food, so events like this, events and festivals, definitely a good way to experience a lot of stuff, because everything here was like, I would say basically prices ranging between $1 to $10. You know, you definitely ain't gonna break the bank before you pop that belly. Kind of finger food portions, definitely a fun time. So this was the first time I got to go out with my boy. So we had a bunch of fun. Hands down, he gives it 10 out of 10, like I do as well. Like I said, we went twice back to back. Sanam Luang. Sanam Luang. It's definitely a good event.
Like hoes on Songkran, show more titties and pigtails. Look at, even you had to show a little something, no? Maybe no shooting for the food that way, no? No shooting.
Wow! You mean a person or what is on the table?
ฉีดได้แต่อย่าฉีดหน้ากับปากเพราะว่าลองเพลเร็วๆไม่ได้ มันจะซึ้งมันจะซึ้งอย่าฉีดหน้าค่ะฉีดตรงนี้ค่ะเป้าใหญ่กว่าฉีดหน้าฉีดได้แต่อย่าฉีดหน้ากับปากเพราะว่าลองเพลเร็วๆไม่ได้
Good time.